Hello, my dear friend. I'm very happy to see you today. I have new rules of the reading for you. So, prepare your eyes, your ears, listen and look carefully, and learn our rules of the reading by heart. Let's go! I want to introduce my magic friends to you. They are magic bees, and they like magic flowers. Today my magic friends are a magic bee AIR, a magic bee ARE, a magic bee ERE, and a magic bee IRE. Three of them, AIR, ARE, and ERE, like magic flower air. Look, this is a magic bee AIR. It likes magic flower air. Look at it in these words: air, pear, cheer, hair, fairy, fair, stare. Listen one more time. Air, pear, cheer, hair, fairy, fair, stare. Next friend is a magic bee ARE. Magic bee ARE likes flower air. Look at it in these magic words: here, care, dear, spare, parents, share, stare. Listen one more time. Here, care, dear, spare, parents, share, stare. A magic bee ERE likes flower air. Look at it in these words: there, where. Listen one more time. There, where. Our magic friend BIRE likes flower IRE. Look at it in these words: fire, higher, tired, admire. Listen one more time. Fire, higher, tired, admire. My dear friend, thank you for your work. You were well done. Watch this video few times and learn our rules of the reading by heart. Good luck to you and see you soon.